Hey everybody, it's Illuminati for another video. Thomas Railway. Here's my collection. Hope you enjoy. Thomas, Edward, Henry, Gordon, James, Percy, Toby, Duck, Donald, and Douglas, Oliver, Diesel, Mavis, Stepney, Boko, Daisy, Bill, Ben, which is a factory error, has Bill's chassis, Ben's nameplate, D261, Derek, Neil, and the Flying Scotsman, Soda Railway Repair, Big City Engine, D199, Diesel 10, another factory error with the reverse stripes, Lady, Iron Airy, Iron Bert, Salty, Emily, and Spencer, Murdoch, Harvey, Arthur, Rosie, Dennis, Molly, Neville, Fergus, Billy, Whiff, and Hank, Charlie, Stafford, Hero, Bash, Ferdinand, Scruff, Sydney, Den, Dart, Flynn, Winston, and Stephen, Connor, Caitlin, Porter, Timothy, Marion, Gator, Ryan, Hugo, Logan, and Dustin. Here are my narrow gauge engines: Scarloey, Reneus, Sir Handel, Peter Sam, Rusty, Duncan, Ivo Hugh, Duke, Smudger, Bertram, Proteus, and Fearless Freddy. Mighty, Mac, Victor, Luke, and Caldy. Here are my small railway engines, Mike and Bert. Here are my vehicles: Terrence, Trevor, Birdie, Butch, George, Bulgy, Caroline, Crosby Station Cargo Truck, Spotlight Lorry, Cherry Picker, Fire Truck, Water Tanker, Hook and Ladder, Jack, Alfie, Sir Topham Hatt's car, Max, Monty, Oliver, Patrick, Kevin, Harold, and Bulstrode. And here are all my standing cranes: Cranky, the Diesel Works crane, and the cargo crane. Here are all of my coaches: Annie, Clarabelle, 2 Never Express coaches, 3 Express coaches, Stevens coaches, and Old Slow coach. Here are all my rolling stock: 5 Solarline cabooses, Toad, Henrietta, Mail coach, 2 boxcars, 2 mail tankers, 1 fuel tanker, Chinese Dragon, the recycling cars, the aquarium cars, Troublesome Truck, Fred, Giggling Troublesome Trucks, Hector, and Rickety. The fire train, ice delivery cars, the construction cars, a gift car, the apple orchard cars with a forklift, the zoo cars, and the circus train. The waterworks cars, the chicken cars, the dairy cars, prospector cars, 6 cargo cars, the flower car, the power cars, the fog cars, the Youngster tanker and cargo car, the breakdown train, and Rocky. The Soda Sweets cars, the Scrap Monster, and the Demolition Team. Here are all of my exclusive and additional versions of engines that I already possess. So 6 old style Thomases, 6 new style Thomases, 60th anniversary Thomas, battery operated Thomas, happy birthday Thomas and boxcar, snow cover Thomas, Thomas Comes Breakfast, paint splatter Thomas, soda day Thomas, bunk cover Thomas, flower cover Thomas, seabound Thomas, snow cover Thomas, Edward, 60th Anniversary Henry, Old Style James, Brio James, New Style James, James with Team Colors, Busy as a Beat James, Battery Operate James, Origins James, Old Style Percy, New Style Percy, celebrating 60 years Percy, Cold Dust Percy, Chocolate Covered Percy, Jack Frost Percy, 60th Anniversary Percy, Toby, Duck, Old Style Oliver, 2008-ish Oliver, New Style Oliver, Mavis, Old Style Diesel, Dirty Diesel, New Style Diesel, Boko, Derek, Sorry Repair, Old Style Diesel 10, New Style Diesel 10, Lady, Battery Opera Lady, Green Salty, Streamlined Emily, Burgess, Soto Day Stanley, Patchwork Hero, Sir Handle, and Rusty. 2 Annies, 1 Clarabelle, a Henrietta with Douglas's chassis, Rickety, Orange Rickety, Chinese Dragon, Unpainted Boxcar, Scruffy with a reverse decal, Yellow Caboose, Musical Caboose, Dale Thomas Caboose, Haunted Caboose, Winter Wonderland Caboose, an Old Style Terrence, New Style Terrence, Old Style Birdie, New Style Birdie, Old Style Sir Topham Hatt's-Car, Mud Covered Sir Topham Hatt's-Car, and a Herald with the magnets on the bottom. Here are my rare and exclusive items, as well as unique: the white-faced Charleston truck, 2 production sample Thomases from 2005, only 15 were ever made, a prototype Holiday Lights Thomas, celebrating 60 years Percy production sample, has the green face and green boiler, they're both metallic, and the My Custom Diesel engine. Here are all my new in-box items: Scruffy, Dart, Soda Road Crew, Scruffy, Thomas Comes to Breakfast, Better View for Gordon, the 5-card gift pack, Duncan, and Thomas. Here are all my character cards: Oliver, Thomas, Mud-Covered Thomas, James with Team Colors, Chocolate-Covered Percy, Reneus, Butch, and the Soda Line Caboose. And that concludes my Thomas Winter Railway collection. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.